I will start. Hello everyone, my name is Yurii. I will tell you about our project called Prospect for the Development of Blockchain Technology in Corporate Information Systems. Together with my colleagues, we created a platform for working with company information using blockchain. This platform helps to create, share, and store important data. We based it on the real processes and data from the Department of Computer Science at Lutsk National Technical University in Ukraine. Today, as the digital world grows, it becomes very important to find new ways to manage information. These new ways should help us store, check, and protect data better. One of the best options is called distributed ledger technology, or DLT. This technology allows people to work together even if there is no central control and no full trust between users. DLT helps keep data complete and correct. Even if some users do not trust each other, they can't change the data secretly. Blockchain is one special type of DLT. It saves information in blocks where each block is linked to the previous one. This makes it very difficult to change the information once it's saved. Scientists and experts say the blockchain gives us a system that is safe, private, open, and without a single control center. Every user in the system has their own full copy of data. This means no one can control everything alone, and trust is built in a new way. In companies, blockchain helps protect important data. It allows better control of documents and supports decision making by using smart contracts. There are programs that run by themselves when certain rules are met. Blockchain also protects against outside attacks and helps different parts of a company work better together. And as more and more information is created every day, blockchain gives companies a strong and safe way to manage their system. It helps build information systems that are clear, reliable, and ready for the future. That is why using blockchain as corporate system is so important today. It can change how companies work, improve digital safety, and help organization grow in the new digital economy. The word blockchain comes from the way the technology is built. Information is saved in blocks, and these blocks are linked together like a chain. A new block is added only when the computers in the network agree that the data is correct. The history of blockchain started in 2008 when Bitcoin was created. A person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto wrote about it as a new way to send money without needing a bank. After that, actually in 2010, people tried new ideas and created many other types of digital money. From 2014, blockchain changed again. It started to support smart contracts and new kind of apps, especially with the Ethereum platform. Then from 2017 until now, companies and governments began to study and use blockchain more actively. They mostly use private version of blockchain inside their own systems. Even now, there are some problems to solve. For example, blockchain needs to become faster, and different blockchain needs to work better with each other. These problems are pushing people to invent new tools and rules to make the system better. Blockchain is made of blocks. Of, Blockchain is made of blocks, and each block includes a group of transactions. These transactions are saved in a special structure called Merkle tree. Each block also has a timestamp, has the hash of the previous block, a unique number, and the proof of the block follows the rules agreed by the network. Blocks are added one by one to the shared system called the distributed ledger. There are several key elements in blockchain technology. First, the distributed ledger makes sure that everyone in the system has the same copy of data. Second, smart contracts help automate actions. They run by themselves when the set conditions are met. In business blockchain, these smart contracts let different parts of the company work together without needing a third party. This helps make the data flows legal, safe, and easy to track. Other important parts of the system include the permission system and the consensus mechanism, which makes sure everyone agrees before adding new information. In blockchain system, the information is stored on many computers, which are called nodes. These nodes make the system strong and decentralized. The more nodes there are, the harder it's for the system to fall. When a new block is added, the nodes help spread in across the network. There are three main types of nodes. Full nodes store the old blockchain. Light nodes only keep a part of it, just the header, and use them to check transaction. Mining nodes or whiteness nodes in company system are the ones that confirm transaction and help add them to the blockchain. All these nodes talk to each other and help keep the network stable. For doing everyday transaction, people usually use light clients or web wallets, which are faster and easier to use. We created a corporate information system that used blockchain and works with a cloud document storage. The system is built to manage documents in a decentralized and transparent way. Each node in this system has a different access level. Light nodes are basic users. They can send requests, see information based on their access rights, and upload documents when needed. Witness nodes are chosen from the middle level manager. These nodes help the system agree on which data is correct and have the right to write new transaction to the blockchain. Full nodes keep a complete copy of the blockchain and have full access to all the system features. The system is also open to the public. Anyone with internet access can view open data from the organization and uses this system. This means not only safe storage and handling of documents, but also openness and public control of the process. Protection corporate and personal data is one of the main goals of our system. One of the best way to do this is through encryption with access control. In our model, we use a blockchain-based encryption method. It works with a rule table that includes three agreed factors between the data providers and user. The system has three steps. First, a rule table is created. Second, the data is encrypted and saved. And third, the data is decrypted when access is needed. This method makes sure only the right users can view or use the documents in the network. Blockchain has special features that make it very useful for corporate information system. It, it's decentralized, meaning there is no single control center. All decisions are made together, based on an agreement between the network nodes. Data in the blockchain is protected with cryptography, so no one can change it without permission. When information is added, it can be edited. Only new entries can be added. This keeps the history safe and trusted. In our system, users who provide data also take part in the consensus process. This means decisions are not made by one person or office, but by the whole network, which makes it fair and open. To approve new records, we use a special rule called the Byzantine fault tolerance protocol. It helps all nodes agree on what true, even if some parts of the system are not working. Each node has a vote, and only if there is enough agreement, the decision is accepted. BFT also guarantees that users always get answer to their request, even if some nodes go offline. So our system brings together security, openness, and stability, all important for a modern company. In our system, smart contracts help automate consensus. When a user sends a request and node processes it by following a set of rules and checking with other nodes. Then a new block is created. If it a request, it goes into the request blockchain. If it is file upload, it goes into the data blockchain. All nodes work together and stay connected with the cloud storage. This keeps the whole network up to data and to date and the information accurate. Our model of documents management is based on blockchain. It provides decentralized control and keeps the data safe and complete. Consensus is reached automatically using a BFT-based algorithm and the rules from the smart contract. In the future, we plan to study and compare different BFT algorithms to make the system even safer and more efficient. And thank you so much. I hope it was enough.